reason that you find hydrogen peroxide sold in opaque bottles is that such bottles keep light from it, which keeps it from breaking down. Light isn't the only thing which breaks hydrogen peroxide down though. Time also does, and after a bottle is opened it will typically last between 9 months and a year. A simple way to test if your hydrogen peroxide is still active is to just splash a small amount of it down your sink drain. There is usually enough organic material around the drain that if the peroxide is active it will bubble and fizz. If it doesn't, then you know to get a new bottle. Hydrogen peroxide is a type of oxygen bleach, which means, as you'll see from the uses listed, it's got a lot of laundry uses, as well as cleaning uses. Brighten clothes as alternative to bleach. Instead of adding either chlorine or oxygen bleach, you can add 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide to your washing machine load as a natural, eco-friendly bleach.
Clean and remove mildew from hard surfaces. Put hydrogen peroxide into a spray bottle and spray onto mildew on hard surfaces, such as bathroom tile. Let it sit for a few minutes and then wipe the peroxide and mildew away.
Clean baked on grease on metal baking pans and sheets. With use, we all know how baking sheets and pans can get dingy and dirty, and even a really good scrubbing doesn't seem to remove it. The solution is to sprinkle the pan with baking soda, then add hydrogen peroxide to make a paste. Let the paste sit for a couple of hours and then just wipe away the gunk, and then wash the metal sheets or pans like normal. Clean toothbrushes. To periodically clean your toothbrushes between replacements, just add a small amount of hydrogen peroxide to a glass and place the head of your toothbrush in it to soak between brushings. Change the peroxide every few days. Remove red wine stains. Red wine is known as a quite difficult stain to remove, but a simple recipe that works extremely well to remove these tough stains is equal parts hydrogen peroxide and dish soap. Spray the mixture on the stain, allow it to sit for 3 hours, and then wash with cool water. If the stain is on non-wool carpet, you'll need to blot instead with a clean cloth to remove the stain remover, since you cannot wash carpet, obviously. The recipe is not recommended for wool carpet because hydrogen peroxide can break down wool fibers. Remove skunk odors. Finally, hydrogen peroxide, along with a couple of other ingredients, can remove the skunk odor from your pets, or you, if you've been skunked. The exact recipes vary, but use approximately 1 quart hydrogen peroxide, 1/2 cup of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of dish soap. Wet the pet and then put this solution on them for approximately 20 minutes, be careful not to get in their eyes, and then rinse away the skunk odor. Remove yellowing from fabrics. Sometimes with age fabrics begin to yellow. To brighten these fabrics, fill your sink or a tub with cool water and add 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide. Let the yellowed fabrics soak for a couple of hours and then wash as normal. Confirm the yellowing is removed before drying on a heated cycle. Toilet bowl cleaner. Pour 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide into your toilet bowl, let it sit for half an hour, and then scrub your toilet like normal.